C1, Graphs and Transformations of Graphs, past paper question, June 2009, question 10. So, the first thing that we have to do is completely factorize this cubic equation. So A, the cubic equation is x cubed minus 6x squared plus 9x. So each term has an x value, so I can take that out as a common factor, and then I'll be left with x squared minus 6x plus 9. So I need to factorise this quadratic, so that's x lots of x minus 3, x minus 3, which is of course x lots of x minus 3 squared. So on to part B, where I asked to sketch the graph of the same equation, showing the coordinates where the point cuts, where the points where the curve meets the x-axis. So the first time, I have to draw my axes. So these are the roots of the equations. So I have one root at x equals 0, and I have a repeated root at x equals 3. So that means that the graph is going to cut through 0, 0, and it is going to just touch the line at x equals 3. So this is the sketch of my graph. So next, we're asked to use the answer that we've just done to sketch on a separate diagram the curve of y equals x minus 2 cubed minus 6 lots of x minus 2 squared plus 9 lots of x minus 2. But this is of course equal to f of x minus 2. And from this booklet, we have learnt that this means that we are moving 2 spaces in the positive x direction. So that's 2 spaces to the right. That's my answer to part B. So for part C, I need to draw my axes again. And this time, my curve is going to be moved 2 spaces to the right. So these will no longer be the points where the axis is cut. This one is going to be increased by 2. So my before 0 point will now be x equals 2. And my previous 3 will now become 5. So we have transformed the graph for f of x minus 2.